Hello, it's Josh here from JDG Estate Agents, and today's 60-second property investment video comes from Kent Street in the Skerton area of Lancaster. This 2-bedroom semi-detached property is really well presented and ready for tenants to move straight into. It has a kitchen diner, modern bathroom and a really low maintenance garden, a good size for families to move into. Close by you've got local amenities in the Skerton area as well as access into the city centre, and just down the street there you can get easy access to the River Lune for walks along the river. It's currently on the market for £115,000, and with a rental income of £600 per calendar month, you'd expect to see an annual gross yield of £7,200, which is a fantastic 6.2% gross return on your investment. If you are interested in property, please don't hesitate to get in touch by giving me a call on 01524 843322, or you can always drop me an email to josh@jdg.co.uk. Thank you, bye.